Hi there. So I got me one little cantaloupe out of my garden this year. Little, like literally, it's the size of a baseball. I don't even know if it's ripe. It's ripe. What does it taste like? It's too bad. Because it does taste nice, but if the vine died, so that's why the cantaloupe itself is not big or anything. But it needed another couple weeks and it would have been beautiful. But it's still pretty good. Juicy. Very juicy. Actually, it's nice. You like cantaloupe one?
No, I don't eat cantaloupe, but the vegetable influencer does.
This is a fruit though, idiot.
Fruit influence. Well, that concludes our soft bean goofies.